Today's video is another great deep condition that requires only one ingredient, and this one ingredient is very effective in moisturizing your hair. If you're looking for a way to repair your damaged hairs or to stop itching scalp or dry scalp, this recipe is for you. Use this recipe once in a week and you'll see how your hair will never remain the same. This will grow your hair healthy, faster and fuller. So I advise you to watch this video to the end to get the instruction on how to use it and also how to prepare it. So the main ingredient on today's video is oats. So this is the oats I have. Use any oats you have, any oats you find around you. Okay, so I'm going to make use of 7 to 8 tablespoons of oats. So you can use higher, you can use lesser, depend on the thickness or on the long or volume of your hair. Okay, require you if you go higher or you go lesser. Okay, so after putting my oats, next thing I'll transfer in water, okay, so that I can boil this. But this water I put in is not that enough, so I'll also add more, a little bit of water again. I put it in fire to cook it. So I'll cook it to the get very softer, and also I'll keep on stirring it so that it will not get burnt. So make sure you keep on stirring your own to avoid getting burnt. This is very easy to burn, okay, but if you are stirring it consistent, it will not get burnt. So the water, I'll still add more water. As you can see, the water I put in have already dry, or the oat is not ready the way I want it, rather. Okay, so I need to add more water so that this oat can cook proper and be so mushy. So once this oat is very mushy, I know that it's ready, I'll bring it down. Okay, so let's talk about the benefit of oat. Oat contain plenty of omega-6 fatty acid to help repair split end and damaged hairs, moisturize strands, make them feel softer and fuller. The protein in oats also help add thickness to each strands. Incorporating oats in your hair regimen is a game changer. So if you're experiencing dry hair, brittle hair, please try to incorporate oats on your hair regimens and you see how your hair will never remain the same. So after boiling it, allow it to cool down. So it's cooled down a little bit. This is what I have so far. I will transfer it into my blender for blending process. Okay, oats is that recipe that will give you that thicker hair growth if used in a right way, and also if used consistent. So this is another way to use oats if you are desire to have thicker hair, or you want to repair your damaged hair, or you want to repair your split end. Honestly, using oats is something that you need to incorporate. So using it as a deep condition, the way I'm about to show you now, is another way to use it. And also I have a video up here how to use oats as a leave-in tea spray. If you have not seen that video, please go and watch it. Okay, that video is very helpful. Like, after using it as your deep condition, you can prepare that tea spray and also use it consistent with it. You see how your hair will thicken up, you see how your hair will grow. Honestly, you don't need to break the bank for you to grow that healthy hair. Simple things around you. I believe that everyone has oats in their house, but if you don't have oats, it's very cheap to buy, it's very easy also to find. Okay, just make use of it and you see how your hair will never remain the same. So after blending my oats, I'll transfer into this shift cloth. So it's very necessary you use something that has very tiny hole to strain this, so that you don't have oat particles on your deep condition, so that they do not come in contact on your hair. Because if those particles of oats stuck on your hair, is not a nice idea. So try to use something that have very tiny hole to strain it. You can use your wig cap, your stockings, your shift cloth, or whatever that, or hanky, whatever you know that have very tiny hole. Please make sure that you follow up this part. Okay, it's very necessary. After straining it, this is what I have so far. Do you see how this is? This is so yummy. This deep condition is so amazing. So to take it to next level, to make it to be more moisturizing, so to add more moisture on it, I add a little bit of my homemade oil. You can skip this part, whether adding it oil or not. Believe me, this will give you that good result you're supposed to give to you. But to activate it, to add it extra moisture, add any of oil of your choice. And also I add lavender essential oil, a little bit of it also. So with deep condition is another time I normally use my homemade oils them, okay? So if you have any of your homemade oil, this is another opportunity that I can make use of them, okay? So essential oil, if you have essential oil, you can use, but if you don't have essential oil, you are good to go. And also if you don't have homemade oil, any oil you have, we are good to go. This deep condition is bomb. If you have not been using it on your hair, or your hair is always matted, this oat deep condition is that deep condition that will help you to stop that matted hair, soften your hair. And also another good part of this is it can also define your coils. This will soften your hair like never before. If you have not given this deep condition a try, please give it a try and you see a great result on your hair. So how to apply this on your hair? You know, this is deep condition. Deep condition means you need to shampoo your hair first before you can apply this on your hair. Don't use this on a dirty hair, please. Shampoo your hair first. That is another way to use this to get that good result. And also that is normal way to use it because the name apply deep condition, okay? So use it on your fresh wash hair. So apply this both on your strands of hair and also on the scalp of your hair. This is all general in every part of our hair. Make sure you coat it very well and work it in very well. If you want to use it as a detangler, maybe at this moment you grab your comb and detangle your hair, you are good to go. Do you see that moisture? Do you see that curl definition? Honestly, after using this deep condition on your hair will never remain the same. Like as I said earlier, use this once in a week if you really want to repair your damaged hair, or you want to stop that split end, or you want to thicken up your hair. Use this once in a week. Before 2 months, you will see your hair get more thicker. You see how your hair will transform. Also, there are different way you can use this oat to get that massive results, to get that best results. So there's tons of ways you can use it, okay? So this one of that you can use it. And also I have some videos that I use with oats. They are very great. So don't joke with this deep condition, okay? If you really want to grow that hair, if you really want to thicken up your hair, please, while using this, be consistent, okay? If you don't choose to use it once in a week, you can use it once in 2 weeks, but be consistent with it straight 2 months and you see how your hair will never remain the same, okay? So if you have not subscribed up to this point, please help me to match that subscribe button and you never regret joining this beautiful family. In this channel, I teach how to grow your hair longer, fuller and healthy without to break the bank, okay? So you will never regret it, okay? And once you subscribe, please turn on your post notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. My returning subscribers, I love you guys so much. Thank you for always come back to watch my videos. You guys are the real MVP. I love you. I do not take you guys on granted. Thank you. Please, if you have not liked this video, please help me to click on that like button. It really helps the growth of the channel. It helps to encourage me to put out more good content out there, and also it helps you too to put this video to people that need this video, okay? And also share this video to your family and friends so that they can get the good news on how to use this oat to grow their hair the way they desire, okay? Do you see how this look on my hair? This deep condition is so amazing. Guys, do you see the coil definition? Do you see the moisturize? Do you see the face of applying this on my hair? Guys, if you have not been using this, I don't know what you're waiting for. Please, I encourage you to give it a try, and believe me, you will never regret it. I've been using this product for a very long period of time on my hair, and I have not regret using it. I have used it in different ways, and the result I got on them is mind-blowing. It's something that I will never stop using. I will never stop using oats on my hair because it's very, very beneficial and very easy to prepare, and also it's very cheap to buy. Okay, so you don't need to buy something, you don't need to break the bank to grow that hair, you don't need to buy expensive products before you can get that healthy hair growth. Okay, so after applying it all over my hair, this is what I have so far. Don't neglect your edges. Make sure you give your edges special care, okay, so that they can also get the benefits of the product you apply on your hair. Any type of products you put on your hair, make sure you give your edges special care, because the edges, they are very easy to break off. So make sure you give them that tender love, that tender care. Okay, after applying it all my edges and my hair nipples, I'll give myself a gentle scalp massage. After giving myself a gentle scalp massage, I will follow up to cover up my hair with my plastic bag. Leave it for 1 hour to 2 hours, depend on you. You can leave yours 1 hour or 2 hours. So just cover it up and leave it, but don't leave it less than 1 hour, okay, so that it can do that good work it's supposed to do on your hair. So after 1 hour, I will be right back. So 1 hour later, I've already rinsed it out. So after rinsing it, I just use clean water to rinse it out. There's no need of shampooing my hair again because I've already shampooed my hair. That's why I say you should shampoo your hair, so that whenever you're rinsing it out, just use plain clean water to rinse it out and you're good to go. Okay, so this is the stage of my hair. My hair feels so healthy, so moisturized, so soft, and my coils, they are still on point. Guys, if you have not tried this before, please, I encourage you to give it a try and you will never regret it. Okay, especially if your hair is that coarse, very hard to manage, this will soften your hair. Guys, there's no joke. Okay, just give it a try and come and testify. Okay, so if you have tried before, so let me know. Okay, and if you have not tried it, please again give it a try. Okay, so I've come to the end of today's video. I love you guys so much, but God love you more. See you guys on my next video. Remain blessed out there. Bye.